Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring sync and structure. Enable iCloud Calendar so every change appears across devices. Next, create distinct calendars, work, focus, personal, admin, so you can toggle visibility quickly. Once done, set sensible defaults, typical event duration, default alert times, and your preferred calendar as default. This speeds entry and prevents mistakes. Make sure location and time zone support are on. That prevents missed events when you travel or change devices. Now focus on input and structure. Capture tasks instantly with Siri or the plus button, adding at least a title and calendar category. Then categorize using color and descriptive titles so you scan your week visually. Include tags like deep work or admin. Block time deliberately, set exact start and end times, and add a travel or buffer slot. Once the blocks exist, drag to adjust duration. Repeating blocks become habits and reduce decision fatigue during your day. Finish by refining and integrating. Do a weekly review to trim or extend blocks, move low-value slots, and convert notes into scheduled events. Integrate reminders, accept email invites into the right calendar, and connect third-party calendars for a single view. If events don't appear, force a sync in settings, check iCloud storage and account status, and if needed, remove and re-add the calendar account. This sequence keeps your schedule accurate and your productivity system reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.